After listening this story, you will be able to understand your value of life. Once there was a stone cutter who was always dissatisfied with himself and his life. One day he was passing by a rich merchant house, and when he saw important visitors there, he thought to himself how powerful that merchant is. He got envious and in thought wished that if he could be like merchant. To this surprise, just in that moment, he became merchant. Now he was enjoying luxury and power that he imagined. He was envied by those who were less wealthy than him. Soon, one day he saw an official passing by. He saw that he was accompanied by attendants and soldiers were beating gongs, and everyone around him, however wealthy he or she was, had to bow before him. When he passes by, seeing this, he thought to himself, how powerful this person is. I wish I could be a high official. In that moment, he became high official, and now he was enjoying this power. He was served by attendants and soldiers accompanied him everywhere. People around him now feared and hated him. One day, it was too hot and he felt very uncomfortable sitting in his luxurious chair. At that time, he looked up at the sun and thought to himself, it shines proudly in the sky, unaffected by any other presence. I wish that if I could be that sun. Now he became sun, shining fiercely down on everyone, hated by farmers and laborers. One day, a huge black cloud moved between him and the earth, and his light could no longer reach earth. This time, he thought to himself, how powerful that cloud is. I wish if I could be that cloud. Now, he became cloud. He ran flooding fields and villages and shouted at by everyone. But soon he realized that he was pushed by some great force and realized it was wind. This made him think that how powerful wind is. I wish I could be that wind. Suddenly he became wind, blowing off roofs of houses, uprooting trees. Everyone below hated him. After a while, he reached something which wouldn't allow him to move further, which made him think how powerful this rock is. I wish if I could be that rock. In a blink, he became that huge towering rock, feeling most powerful thing on earth. Soon, one day, he heard sound of hammering pounding chisel into his hard surface and find himself being changed, and he thought to himself, what can be more powerful than me, rock? He looked down to see and saw far below was a figure looking like a stone cutter. Moral of the story, being satisfied with what we are and what we have is the key to happiness. Wanting to be most powerful and feeling of being unsatisfied have no end. I hope you enjoyed this story and kindly subscribe our channel.